How to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. Over here, tap on the video mode below. Go to the top left corner and tap on the flashlight icon to turn it on. After that, tap on the record button to start recording the video. Once you're done, tap on the record button again to stop recording. Alternatively, go back and open up the Settings app. Then, tap on General. Scroll down to the end and tap on Shut Down. After restarting your phone, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Over here, tap on the flashlight icon as shown. You can now increase or decrease the brightness of the flashlight according to your preference. Following these steps, you can easily fix flashlight not working on iPhone.